I'm going to make a fruit burst protein shake using the Herbalife nutrition. This is the raspberry and blueberry flavor. I'm using in this one mangoes and strawberries. So yogurt is the base. You could use a soy yogurt if you like, and some ice to keep it looking cool. Raspberry and blueberry. These shakes are a great way of getting in all the nutrients you need if you're on the run for a busy, active lifestyle. I'm going to add in some oats. They just help to thicken it a little bit more, and I love the little nutty flavor that they bring. Some mango, just about one cheek of mango. And remove the flesh by cutting down to the skin, crisscross like that. Open it out. Pop out the mango. Some strawberries. Frozen berries are brilliant for these drinks. And some lemon juice as well, just to heighten the flavor of the fruit. You could, of course, add honey in here if you like. Give it a shake and turn it on. There you go, in a nice cool glass with the ice. And that's it. Fruit burst.